Welcome to a tutorial on how to add sizes into your WooCommerce product. So here I am, I've just added, that's a new post. You need to come down to products, add new products. Remember, you need to have WooCommerce installed first. So here we go, we've got a new product listed. Come down to this bit here, product data, just below the details here, and click on that if this doesn't show already. Then come down to attributes, and then click on here to add custom product attribute. Click add, and then type in sizes. So there you go. Now you need to have a tick box come up here, and the reason that it's not come up here is because we need to change this to variable product. So that's what we should have done first, change this to variable product. You can use for variations, and then we put our sizes in here, so you can put small in, then you use the pipe symbol which is next to the Z key, so it's shift and forward slash, and then you put the next one in, same again, pipe symbol between, and then you have the last one there. And if you click save attributes from there, and then come down to the next tab which is variations, and we should be able to create variations from all attributes. Click there, OK. That's just a message box just to tell you that your products are going to be created, nothing to worry about. And then the next dialog box that comes up will tell you what number of products there are created. So that's 3 that were created. That's because we've got small, medium and large. They don't have any prices on them, so to change the prices, just click on them and put the prices in there like that. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial video. If you've got any questions, drop me a message, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.